how to find missed call notifications settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First, just go to Truecaller and here just click on your profile in the top corner, and after that click this settings icon, and now scroll all the way down until you find calling. Here is it, and that's it. Scroll down again and here we'll find missed call notifications, and here you can turn it off, and you can turn it on. Here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.